What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius, back at it with another video, man, and I am excited about this one. It's time to bring another project to the channel. So if you my peoples, if you know me, you know what this is. But for everybody who just watches me on the channel, it's brand new for y'all. Check it out. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Let's go. Before we get to the video, guys, let me know what you guys think about it. I put a lot of effort into this. I'm trying to upgrade my content, my quality, my edits. I got new cameras. I need to get a new computer so I can do better editing. But right now I'm working with what I got. I'm really trying to bring better content for you guys. So definitely let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Let's get to the video.